Today we kick off Nights Fest 2021, Faith Christian Academy's only fundraiser this school year. We are excited about the growth we've seen at FCA. This school year, we have a record-breaking enrollment of 397 students. As our school family grows, so do our needs. So we have set an audacious goal of $100,000. These funds will be used to hire a school nurse and will go towards purchasing 15 passenger vans for school-related activities. We are asking you, our FCA community, to help us raise support through the collection of direct donations from friends, family, and local businesses you support. We challenge each of you as a family to raise at least $500 and have provided some great resources and tools in this packet to help you reach and exceed your family's goals. Remember, all of the donations you collect are tax deductible and will directly benefit the FCA community. Now let's take a moment to look at some of the resources in your packet. Your tracking sheet is where you can make a list of those who care about you and would want to support your efforts during the Nights Fest fundraising campaign. People to consider beyond immediate friends and family may include neighbors, pastors, coaches, and more. As you think of these people, write down their names on your tracking sheet. Then, spend some time as a family and pray over those names. Next, reach out to them in a letter, over the phone, by text, or even in person. The next resource in your packet is your bingo contribution card. Take a picture of this card and send it to those you are asking to support you in your fundraising efforts. Ask them if they would be willing to help you clear your card to reach your goals. As you receive pledges, clear your card with the name of the person pledging so that others can see who is supporting your fundraising efforts. Throughout your packet, there are prompts for you to be able to navigate social media and texting. Please make sure that a parent oversees this process. Reach out to community partners. These are your corporate sponsors. Take in the letter that we have written for them. Let them know how much you love their business, how much you love FCA, and how much FCA depends on their support. Finally, let's look at the amazing prizes we are offering families on a school-wide level. At the conclusion of each week of Nights Fest, we will award the 2 highest earning families from that week a prize that they can enjoy together as a family. The top 2 families on week 1 will each earn a karaoke microphone. The top 2 families in week 2 will each earn an old-fashioned popcorn machine. The top 2 families in week 3 will earn an Amazon Echo Dot. The top 2 families in week 4 will earn a $50 Chipotle gift card. And the top 2 families in week 5 will earn a $50 Chick-fil-A gift card. Your teacher will also be offering individual class incentives, so be on the lookout for your newsletter. At the conclusion of our Nights Fest efforts, we will award the top fundraising family a 5-night stay at Big Cedar Wilderness Club in July. So Knights, you have all the tools you need. Let's go have some fun raising support for FCA. Go Knights!